Okay, so I'm going to show some of the lights in the background. I thought I'd already accidentally put them on, but it's actually shining up from on the side. There's about 3 different settings for that. There's this one that I prefer the most, which is the colours going left to right around it. There's also a flat colour option, which I think you can change the colour of. There's a few colour options for it, but not every single one that you can see available here is a colour option in the flat options. And then there's also one that's like a breathing, like it fades in and out, like fading through the different colours effect. So on the main keyboard, by the way, I took off the space bar and then put it back on the other way because I wanted the flowers this side instead of that side. Because I like it when taller things are on the right than on the left. I don't know why. Evolution or something. Okay, so you've got this flat colour, like just mono. I've got nicknames for a lot of these. And this is, it looks basically the same on the camera as it does in real life. It's like a lilac-y pink. And I think you can change it, but I can't remember what button that is, and I don't want to go around pressing the wrong things. I need to get the instruction booklet back out of the box. And then next one is the colour spectrum, like, so it's just like the spectrum from left to right, and then it's like fading in and out in like a breathing kind of a way. I feel like I must have pressed something wrong, because I have a vague memory that, oh no wait, that changes the face, that one. I know which buttons do things, but I can't remember which things they do. No, that's the bottom. Anyway, I did think there was like a breathing one where it went through the flat colours. So this one is just going through the flat colours all in one go each, if you get what I mean. Okay, and then this one is one where when you press it, it lights up left to right from where you press it. And then this one I call it raindrops down the window, because that's sort of how it looks to me. You know, like with the different colours going through. I don't know, I said diddle-da, raindrops don't make that noise. Making my own sound effects. This is one where when you press it, it lights up the whole board. It's a bit like the left to right one, but in like a circle, spread out way, or rectangle, square way, however you want to think of it. And then this one, hang on, it's a bit hard to see through the camera because it's not quite as bright on the camera as it is in real life. Oh, I think this is the one that I call like raindrops on pond, because it's sort of like, if you imagine a pond that was all different colours, and then if the raindrops were different colours as well, and they were going on it in random spots, and that's what that looks like. Oh, and then this one I call it Nokia 3310 Snake, or just Nokia Snake, if you remember that game on the old phones from the 90s and the early 2000s, or whenever they were, you know. Because it just goes like that and then back up. So you can change the speed as well. I think I've got it on the slowest speed because that's what I prefer the most, and also it's easier for other people watching to visually take it in. Hang on, what's this one? Okay, so this is like just a left to right waterfall of the colour spectrum, essentially. Oh, I think I called this one traffic in my brain, you know, like cars on a road going. So, oh, vans, lorries, whatever. Then that one, yeah, I don't know what this one, oh, hang on. Because I often get to this one and think, oh, it's turned off, it's just one where it's turned off. No, it's one where what you press on, it lights up underneath, and it's not always the same colour. And then, you know, it lingers a little bit. And then, oh, I call this one Party Party Yeah, because Jungkook on a live stream once said that when he accidentally turned on a weird light setting that was like this. You could also call it like bouncy ball. It's almost like there's a bouncy ball, and then the colours are coming off of it. This one I call it clockwise quadrant, because it's quadrants of colour going around in a clockwise motion. Self-explanatory. This one is waterfall. Oh, I've accidentally skipped one. Whoopsie. This one I call Raster Mouse, because of the TV show Raster Mouse. I don't remember the theme song. I had like this in the background. That was lovely. That's my favourite one, the Rust Mouse one. This one I guess is for if you're playing massively multiplayer online video games, because that's the controls you use in those types of games. And then... Hey guys, I am getting ready to unbox the C75 Keyca keyboard. So cute. It's very kawaii-like. And I am so excited to kind of dive in and see what this keyboard looks live. So get this out. This is kind of what it looks like here. The sock comes through. Looks like it comes with a card in here. I will not open that right now. A cute little mouse pad that is a kitten cupcake. And the moment we've all been waiting for. This is how it comes in this plastic. So it's very protected. Take the plastic off. And it does come wrapped in a plastic bag as well. And there you have it. Cute little keyboard. The little face right here. You can see the silicone edge all the way around, and then the cute buttons right here. And then on the back, you can see the pads here, here, and here, and I believe they said one of these comes out, yeah, for the USB plug and play. I thought that was a really nifty idea to kind of hide the USB plug kind of back there, so I'm excited to get this set up, and I will keep you guys posted on that. Thanks, guys.
Esto lo tengo, este teclado, así, y es este, ya lo abrí, pero sea como que le quité las cositas que estorbaban, entonces me ahí adentro. Entonces, pues, observen, son estas teclas para cambiar, este sobrecito, pues yo he visto los unboxings, en este sobrecito pues está como las instrucciones de cómo se utiliza, y las instrucciones. Esto es como, si no estoy mal, yo ya hice mucho unboxing de esto, y se lo dije a mi hermana, pues le dije como que a mi hermana, y se lo mostré más de una vez, y pues vi muchos unboxings de este teclado, porque pues miren, el pastelito pues eso lo quiero regalar a nadie se lo va a regalar, obviamente, y stickers, y este es el sobrecito, este es el mousepad, miren el mousepad, y el mouse de conejo, así, y finalmente el teclado, observen el cosito, observen el teclado, está muy lindo, se escucha muy rico, o sea, se escucha muy rico cuando me escribe, está muy lindo. ¿Qué más falta? Ah, sí, estas cositas que son como los accesorios, se lo abro. Este es uno, este es para quitar las teclas si no quiere y cambiarse las otras bonitas que hay. Y este es para cambiar como los flashes este es para cambiar los flashes, ahí está, para cambiar los flashes del teclado. Y pues ya, el otro de accesorios, si no estoy mal, es el cable. Este es el otro que yo he visto tantos unboxing de este teclado que ya me lo sé todo de memoria. Y también se ilumina, les hago como un close-up del teclado, como se ve. Close-up, así se ve el teclado, así se ve a los lados, así se ve. Así se ve, en los lados, acá arriba se ve así, y así se ve por detrás. Creo que en uno de estos está el cosito, sí, miren, acá está, en las gotitas está porque carga el computador, y si no estoy mal también se ilumina, espérense. Creo que así, se ilumina, no sé cómo cambiarle los colores, me toca ver ahorita, pero pues ajá, eso es todo. Look at the lights. Look at the lights on the side of the keyboard. It wraps around. And then her USB dongle is underneath the foot pad. And it looks like a fish. So cute. Just tuck that in again right there. You might want to use a keyboard stand if you need your keyboards to be higher. But other than that, she's beautiful right out of the box.